Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build multi-column layouts in Wix. This is an incredibly useful skill that allows you to organize content side by side on your website, creating a more dynamic and professional look for your pages. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This option takes you to the management area where you can access all your website settings and editing tools. Now, from this page, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to create a multi-column layout on. It's important to confirm you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites through your Wix account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to the Wix website editor screen, which is where all the magic happens for customizing your site's design. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. From here, start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the design components available in Wix, giving you complete control over your website's layout and appearance. The menu will expand and present you with a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. From this extensive list, locate the strip element and click on it. Strips are horizontal sections that span the full width of your page and are perfect for creating structured layouts. Select a sample strip from the options provided and add it onto your website canvas. Once the strip is added, click on it. You'll now see the option to add columns appear. Click on this option to create a multi-column layout. This feature lets you add 4 to 5 columns within the strip, giving you the flexibility to organize text, images, buttons, and other content side by side. You can adjust the width of each column by dragging the dividers between them, and you can customize each column independently with different background colors, content, and styling. And that's it. You've successfully created a multi-column layout in Wix, allowing you to build more sophisticated and visually appealing page designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.